Hey gang, welcome to my real estate dojo with Mr. Investor. This is Mike. Now I'm making this video because I keep telling my students over and over and over and they don't listen. You need to have an Excel sheet. Listen up please, it's very, very crucial. You need to have an Excel sheet for all the customers that you call, all the leads that you call. What I mean by that, when you're digging cold calling, let's say on Craigslist or on an online classifieds, and you're going through all these FSBOs, you need to put every seller, doesn't matter if they tell you yes or no or go fuck yourself, you need to put every seller into this Excel sheet. And what's going to happen is that over time, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, these people, these sellers that you have on your Excel sheet that you went and digged months ago, their motivation is going to change. 2 months ago, they tell you to go fuck yourself. You're calling them 3 months later, and now they're in a different state of mind. They're ready to do the deal. They're more motivated. So if you're the type of guy that wants to hit a home run every time, hey, this is America and it can happen. But your probability of hitting a home run is going to be, let's say, 1% or 10%. Out of 10 deal leads, you're going to get 1. But the other 9 is going to go to trash. So I don't care if you're a superhero and you can hit a home run out of every 10 deals, which is great. I'm happy for you. But the other 9 deals are going to go to trash. So that's why you have to put those other 9 into this Excel sheet, okay? And track them and follow up with these individuals every week, every month, every couple of months till they're ready to hatch, till they're ready to be motivated. Because trust me, I worked on deals a year and a half later, 3 years later, when the motivated seller was ready to be hatched. So it's so important that you guys keep track of that. I can't explain how many students that I have, and it's like, gee man, I told you that. I have many videos that I told you that. I even give you an Excel sheet to keep track of these leads, and you're not putting it in there. Guys, you know, it's all the little things that are gonna make you a champ instead of a chimp. And there's so many people thinking they're so fucking good or they have so many skills or whatever the story may be, and they're not willing to do this small stuff to become a fucking champ. The small stuff, you know, it's going to the gym every fucking day. It's not missing any days. If it's raining or shining, if it's snowing, you're still going. It's the little small stuff, not eating trash food. You know, having that drive, having that desire, doing whatever the fuck it takes that's gonna make you successful. All these little small stuff, man. It's not like one day you're gonna get up and get this one massive strategy that's gonna make you a millionaire, this one massive idea. No, it's all these little things you're gonna do with your massive idea that's gonna help you become successful. And so it's very important that you guys fill out this Excel sheet, track your customers. So you fill it out, you're going through Craigslist, you call Bob, he tells you to go fuck yourself. You call Sally, she says she's not interested. You call Julie to tell, there's no message. So you're tracking all these into the Excel sheet, and throughout the weeks and throughout the months and throughout the years, you're following up with these sellers. Today, hey, tell you to go fuck yourself and never call them back, or they tell you, hey, I've already sold my house. You keep calling them till you get the deal. It's that simple, guys. No, what I want you to go out there and take massive actions. I want you to go out there and do stuff you don't want to do. I don't want you to listen to naysayers like maybe your parents or maybe your friends or maybe your spouse or maybe the media or the news. Or don't listen to those people or the specialists. Don't listen to them, okay? If you have a dream, if somehow inside of you feel like you're meant for something better, then I want you to go out there and take massive action and make it happen for you. This is America, guys. The grass is so green here, okay? I personally came here as a refugee to America, didn't speak the language, didn't have the connection, didn't have the money, didn't have no credit, didn't have shit. I can't spell, I have so many learning disabilities, but I can tell you one fucking thing, that if you're willing to fucking work hard, you have a burning fucking desire, and you're willing to hustle and grind, you could do anything in America. And this is why this is the land of the opportunity. This is why America is so great. So don't feel sorry for yourself, okay? You're already doing the right thing. Now what I need you to do is take fucking action. Don't watch any more videos. Don't read any more books. Take massive action. Once you get punched in the face a couple of times, come back and start researching and watching more videos. Then go into the fucking gym, lift some more fucking weights. Once you're sore, learn some more fucking shit, books and stuff. to educate yourself, so when you go into the field again, you can hit it up a lot harder. So go out there and take massive action. This is Mike with my Real Estate Dojo. I'll talk to you later, gang. Have a great day.